Hi guys, today we've got this easy messy updo. To start, I'm going to leave out some hair to frame the face. Next, I'm going to take a small section of hair from above the ear to the middle of the back of the head. And we're just going to tie it with a clear elastic band. Then we're going to take the same size section on the opposite side. And again, tie it together with a clear elastic band. Now we're going to use our fingers to create a long hole above that elastic band and pop a couple of fingers through. Pass the ponytail to your fingers and pull it through to create a twist. And then repeat on the left hand side. Now grab some texture spray, I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below and apply it to both those twists. Then gently use your fingers to pinch and pull the hair at the crown and also along both sides of those twists. And then do this on both sides. Gather the remaining hair together and tie it into a low ponytail. Now we're just going to pinch and pull the area in between those twists. And we're going to add a clear elastic band about shoulder height along that ponytail. Split those end sections in half, and then all we're going to do is twist it, so kind of roll it underneath itself and keep rolling it up until it meets the nape of the neck. Excuse my arms getting in the way a bit here. Then just secure it to the nape of the neck with a few bobby pins. Now taking the side sections on the right, again I'm going to add a small elastic band and we're going to create a hole again and pull the ends through to create another twist. And then repeat this on the left hand side. Apply some more texture spray to both those twists, and again we're going to gently pinch and pull the hair to create more messy volume. And again just repeat this on the opposite side. So take that twist on the right and pop your hands through the middle of it. Now grab the left hand twist and pull it all the way through that hole, and then just secure each side with a couple of bobby pins. And then just to make those tail ends disappear, all I'm going to do is wrap it around a bobby pin and then just tuck it up and underneath that twist. And then repeat the same steps on the left hand side. So wrap it around a bobby pin and then tuck underneath the hairstyle. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.